In this video, I will be showing you how to create and insert a watermark here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a dataset and you want to insert a watermark, you can create a custom menu with the use of ChatGPT to create that watermark and insert it here in your spreadsheet. So first, what we're going to do is to open ChatGPT. I've already opened mine. Just go to the address bar at the top and type in chatgpt.com. When you reach that page, make sure to log in with your account and you can get started with this page right here. So here's my prompt. What I want ChatGPT to do is to create an app script for Google Sheets with a custom menu named Insert Watermark. You can rename this whatever you want. That will insert a watermark that's named Confidential on the spreadsheet starting from the cell A1. Now you can add other specifics to this. Maybe the size of the confidential watermark that you want to insert, or maybe a different watermark, maybe a logo of your company. Whatever you want to do, you can add those specifics in this part right here. So if we click on this one, it will now create the app script for us. There we go. So this is a JavaScript that we are going to be copying, then inserting in our app script. So it doesn't matter if you know anything about coding. ChatGPT definitely makes it easier for us who don't know anything about coding. The only thing that we're going to do would be to copy this JavaScript and paste it to our app script. So another important thing to remember when you're pasting this code right here is to delete any existing code before you paste it. More additional instruction would be written right here. So when the spreadsheet is opened, it adds the Insert Watermark menu. Selecting Add Confidential Watermark will merge the cells from A1 to E10, insert the large gray confidential text, then center it to stimulate a watermark effect. Now, if you don't want any of these, you can add more instructions or prompt right here, and it will change your code for you. Let's say you have an existing watermark that you want to insert. Let's start another prompt. So in this prompt right here, what I did would be the same thing, but instead of inserting the watermark that it would create, I wanted to insert a watermark that I already have on the spreadsheet. So to make this work, what you're going to do first is to upload that watermark into your Google Drive. Once you have it uploaded, you're going to share right here. Then make sure that the general access would be anyone with the link. Once you've copied that link, done, go back to your prompt, then paste it, and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. If we go to this one right here, there you go. Again, an important reminder, it will tell you that your drive file must be shared publicly or with anyone with the link, which we've already done. And now it's created our app script. Again, what we're going to do is just copy this, go back to our spreadsheet right here, go to Extensions, and select App Script. This will open in a new tab where we are going to paste in those scripts. And here it is. I've already pasted it. Now again, make sure to delete everything first before you paste. Then you can save it, then go to Run. When you run this selected function, it will ask for permissions, which you will just allow for this script to run in Google Sheets. So go back to your spreadsheet. Once that's completed, go to that custom menu right here, which we have renamed Insert Watermark. If we click on it, then click on the Add Watermark image. Right now it's running the script. Let's wait for it. Watermark inserted at cell A1. And there you have it. We've successfully created that custom menu that will insert a watermark in our spreadsheet here in Google Sheets with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.